Hello everyone, how are you all? So today I am going to solve Excel 2021 in practice chapter 9 independent project 9 to 5. So now let's solve this project step by step. So our project is starting from step number 3. So build a one variable data type. Select cell C18. So go to Excel worksheet and select cell C18. This is cell C18, and now part A is select cell C18. Create a formula to multiply the total commission by the percentage in cell D7. So press is equal to, and after is equal to, we need to click on total commission. So total commission is C14. Multiply it by cell D7 and press enter. Now part B is create a data table using a column input. So select the table, go to data tab, click on here. In what if analysis tool, click on data table, and in column input, click on cell D7 and then click on OK. So I got the value using table, create a data table. So step number 3 is completed, and step number 4 is install the solver add-in the analysis tool peak. So toolpath, so I have added solver, you can see it, and if you don't have, you need to click on here files and click on options, and now click on add-ins, and then click on go, and then check the box of solver add-ins analysis toolpath and then click on OK. You can see it here, these are added now. So step number 5 is name cell range. Click the price solver worksheet tab. Click the price solver worksheet. This is price solver worksheet, and now select cell B12 to C12. So select B12 to C12, and then B14 to C14, and then third is B17 to C17. Press Ctrl and select B17 to C17. OK, and use create from selection command. So go to formula types and click on create from selections and click on left column and then click on OK. So I have completed 5 steps successfully in this video. Step number 6 is use solver to find target PHRE net commission amount. Build a solver problem with cell C17 as the object cell. Okay. Go to Excel. Click on data tab, click on solver, and set objective is C17. So click on C17 and set the objective to value of 50,000 by changing cell C12. Value of 50,000 by changing cell C12. C12. Where is C12? This one. Okay. And now select a solving method to GRG non-linear. You can see and save the result as a scenario named. So Control C, and now click on solve and save scenario. Click on save scenario and paste here and then click on OK. Now check the box of restore original values and then click on OK. So now second is restore the original values and run another solver problem to find a selling price of PHRE commission of 75,000. Save this scenario. Okay, copy this, go to Excel, click on solver again, and now value is here 75,000, and now click on solve and now click on save scenario, paste the name of scenario here and then click on OK. And now check the box of restore original values and then click on OK. So third is restore the original values and run a third solver problem to find a selling price for a net commissioner of 100k. Save the result as scenario and restore the original values. So 100k. So go to solver again and now value of 100k, 100 and 100k, and then click on solve and now click on save scenario, and now here you need to type here 100 comma and 100 and then click on OK and click on restore original values and then click on OK. So I have completed this step number 6 here, and step number 7 is show the 50,000 scenario in the worksheet. So click on here what if analysis and click on scenario manager, click on 50,000 and then click on show. Okay, then close it, and now create a scenario summary report for cell C12, 14 and 17. 12, 14 and 17. To click on what if analysis, click on summary manager and click on summary and then click on scenario summary, and now result cell is 12, 14 and 17. So click on C12, comma C14, comma and C17. This one, last one. Yeah, okay, and then click on OK. This is our scenario summary report. You can see it here, and now you can also see this table and my table. These are both are same values. Okay. Yeah, same value, exactly same. So now step number 8. Step number 8 is build an array formula. Select the sales forecast sheet. So go to sales forecast sheet. This one is sales forecast sheet. And now select cell F5 and type is equal to F5 and type is equal to and now and select cell E5 to E26, E5 to E26. Yeah. Next, type uh, divided by icon and select C5 to C26. C5 to C26. C5 to C26, and the scale price divided by the square footage result in the price, and type steric and multiply by 2. Type steric and multiply by 2 and press enter. So I got the value, and now format the result array as currency with 0 decimal places. So currency with 0 decimal places. So I need to select, click on home tab, number format, currency with 0 decimal places, and then click on OK. I think so. I select currency. No, sorry, currency, and then 0 decimal places, and then click on OK. So now it's OK. So I have completed 8 steps here successfully, and step number 9 is create a histogram for recent sales. Create a bin range of 10 values starting at 40,000 in cell H13 with interval of 50,000 ending at 90 in cell H23. Okay. So this is, I think, our last. Yeah, this is our last step number 9. So create a bin range of 10 values starting at 4400k in cell H13. So in cell H13, where is cell H13? This is cell H12 and this is cell at 400k. Type here 400k. Now, okay, so ending at in cell H23. So here I need to go here, format, where I need to click on okay, so I need to go data, and where I need to click on, I think so, where I think so, where I need to click on to insert the data. Yeah, so I need to click on here, and now click on series, and now column, series is column, and step value is 50,000, and yeah, and ending value is 900k, and then click on OK. So I have got the value. You can see it from H13 to H23. Okay. So use the analysis toolbar to create a histogram for cell E5 to E26. So okay. So go to data tab, click on data analysis. Click on histogram and then click on OK. And input range is E5 to E26. E5 to E26. E5 to E26. Use to create a histogram for a cell. Do not check the label box and select the bin range in your worksheet. So do not check the label box. Okay, and now select cell I4 for the output range and include a chart. I4 for the output range. Output range is I4. This one is I4 and output range and include a chart. So include chart outbound, check the box of chart output, and now and then now I need to click on OK. I think they have given our values. I think so. I need to check it's correct or wrong. So I think they are not good. Yeah, I think so. I need to delete this value, delete chart, and now I need to click on data analysis tool, click on histogram, and now I think so I need to this value is control X and here bin ranges, and now think so I think so one second. Yeah, okay, so this one is bin range. I did not select it. So bin range, this one is our bin range. So you need to select bin range, and now I need to click on OK. Now check it. Now it's exact. That's what we want. Now you need to click on these and press delete button to delete these, so you can see it here. So now position the chart. So now we need to position the chart, position and size the chart to span L4 to W16. So L4 to copy this, L4 to W16. W16 here, like that. Now added the horizontal axis to title to display this one, and these are easy, you can do it. So for more help you can contact me at my WhatsApp number. My WhatsApp number is given in the description. Thanks for watching this video.
wrapping row 1 third column, this one. Answer is wrong. Retry this task. Select the picture. So go to format, arrange, position. First row column third. Through text wrapping row 1 column 3. This is row 1 column 3 section with text wrapping. This is with text wrapping row 1 third column. This is third column, but they are saying this is wrong. So what I need to do in layout option gallery, this is the layout. So leave this, go to next task. I will do in last this task. Add the text. See more tips answer to the rounded rectangle. Select the shape, right click on it and add text. Now add the text. See more tips on our website and column. At the top of the document, centered above the precision builder line, insert a star 4 point. So go to insert tab, click on shape and go to star and this one 4 point. The star banner section of the shape gallery, make the star about as wide as the word precision builder. So click on this one and now here we need to click on here and leave it here. Our answer is correct. Task 13 is apply the shape, style, colored fill, line accent 3. The second option in the fourth column of theme style to the heading four-headed arrow. This one, four-headed arrow, go to format, shape style, and second option in fourth column of theme style. Fourth column, 1, 2, 3, 4, and second option, this one, colored fill, line accent 3. Our answer is correct. Task 14 is to the left of the second body paragraph, insert a motion cue text box, then type planning to replace the placeholder text to the left of the second body paragraph. I think this is the second body paragraph. Go to insert in text box, click on this text box and then click on motion where is motion cube, this one, and now type planning is an art and a science. Dot. Our answer is correct. Task 15 is place the insertion point in front of 2019 here. 2019 date in the table credit line and then insert a copyright sign. So go to insert tab, in symbol click on symbol, in symbol click on copyright, this one. Our answer is correct. Task 16 is in the blank paragraph above the heading. Insert a word art using the fill gold accent color 2. Here, here we need to insert word art in text, word art, and now here first row, third column. This one, fill gold accent color 2. Yeah, and now type the home front. The here the home front as the word art text and then click outside the word art. Then, so our answer is correct. Task 17 is transform the home front word art using the triangle up option column 3 row 1 from the right section of the transform gallery. Click outside the so select the word art. So now go to format. Now go to arrange. I think yeah, I need to click on transform.